Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting basics right. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. You also need fresh batteries or a charged keyboard battery. Low power prevents pairing. Next, put the keyboard into pairing mode, press the dedicated pairing button or hold power until an LED flashes. This active discovery state lets the Surface find the device. Once the keyboard is flashing, move immediately to the Surface screen. Keep devices within 3 meters to avoid delays. Now you instruct the Surface to search. Open Add Device and choose Bluetooth, then watch the device list populate. You select the keyboard entry that matches its model name. Sometimes it shows as unknown device, so pay attention. If prompted, type a passcode on the keyboard and press Enter, or just accept the pairing dialog on screen. Allow the Surface a short moment. Drivers install automatically. Once Windows reports the device is ready, test typing in Notepad to verify keys and layout are correct. Finish by configuring layout and power options. Check the keyboard appears under Bluetooth and Devices and review battery level and layout settings. If the keyboard fails to connect, restart Bluetooth on the Surface and toggle the keyboard off and on, then re-enter pairing mode. This clears transient errors. Remove any previous or duplicate Bluetooth entries before retrying. If problems persist, update Surface drivers via Windows Update or run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. These steps resolve most driver or profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.